Yes guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ibro. Guys, I am heading to a place called Orléans. So right now I'm in Mabouya Valley and I'm going to check a friend up the road. He's gonna be borrowing me his DJI drone, which is going to make the content for the other channel even better. All right, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. I just got off a bus from Dennery. So this is the Laurentius Gap. Orléans! So that's how I gotta do it, guys. I gotta pretty much try and hike a vehicle to go up this road. It's just that difficult in some parts of St. Lucia to get a ride, you know. This is the bus stop right there. This is the main highway. So down this way heads to the south, and down this way heads to the north. Alright. Man, the sun is really hot today. But beautiful day out here, man. Beautiful day. I love to be outside in this type of weather, you know. Yes, hi, bro. Alright, so let's see how long it's gonna take us before I get, how long it's gonna take me before I get a ride. Alright guys, I got a ride from a friend. I don't know exactly where I go in. You know Brent? He makes cassava. These people makes cassava. Brento. They have his sister is the one that makes the cassava and stuff like that. You don't know where? You guys don't know where? Okay, I'll find out. Montego Bay. Okay. Yeah, but he said he's by his mom's shop.
Oh yeah, they have a shop a little higher up.
Okay.
That's, yeah.
You just have to go a little higher when we go.
When you
Okay. Yeah, my people Dennery is the Orléans family, the Vidal family.
You're gonna go higher up.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Thanks a lot, man.
All right. Okay.
Blessings, brother.
Okay.
Take care, man.
All right.
Yes, sir. Yes, I man. All right, guys. So I'm not too far away from the spot. Huh? How I come in a fatigue vlog, man? Oui. Yes, guys. So, all right, man. I'm doing good, man. Okay, thanks, man. All right, guys. So, I mean, I got a ride because that was the easiest way for me to get up here. Yes, sir. That was the easiest way for me to get up here. Because during this time of the day, to get a public bus, I wait a little harder on it. Orléans, man, such a beautiful place. I mean, the view from here is just incredible, man. Whew. That's right, man. Whew, I think that's the place right there. Good afternoon. Morning. Morning, I got you, man. Brent is around? Huh? Brento? Brent? Not here? Oh yeah, that's up there, okay. Guys, I'm working on the fitness, but man, whew, tired, man. Yes, good afternoon. How you doing, man, lady? All right. Yes, guys, so I just bought a CMOS, a good CMOS. If you've never heard about CMOS, then you need to go do some research. But it has a lot of benefits, man. So that's what I'm drinking now there. Yes, good morning, good afternoon. Brent told me to follow the footpath, Brento, to come and check him, yeah. Down there, okay. All right, thank you. Yes. Okay. Yes, how you doing, man?
I'm Gary.
All right, all right. That's good, man. What's going on, man? Are they cool, eh?
That side.
Okay. All right, thanks. All right. Are they cool, man? What's going on? Yeah. Yeah, man. I come and check my partner, Brent, there. Yeah, yeah. Everything good? How are you, man? What is it? Yes, I. You can see Bodley from there. What? Huh? What you say, bro? Alright, guys. Find the place there. This guy, sir.
We had an old football field up there, and if you see that, of course, they used to play. Only time I come in school, we used to play football up there.
Okay, okay.
So then we got pit and stuff.
Hi, Reggie. Okay, guys, so just finished, you know, speaking to my partner there, having a good, you know, conversation and reasoning, you know. But now I'm going to make my way back to Dennery. It's been a while. I haven't been around here. So what's going on, man?
Hi there, Papa. Everything good?
Well, I got you big, sir.
Yeah, you get your partner?
Yeah, yeah, Brent, yeah.
Yeah, how is that one doing there?
Yeah, you alright there.
Okay.
Yeah, you're doing recovering there, you know. How is it there?
You good? I'm trying to open his bag, you know, I'm going to push them.
Trying to? That man got that man opening his bar.
Is it finished already?
Yeah, so the man doing well there already there, yeah, sir.
Friday.
Yeah, man. Next week?
Yeah.
Alright. So we should come and check Brent, so hopefully
Friday.
I can.
Yeah, we'll be there Friday.
Yeah, alright. How are you, man?
I'm going to give some water inside there. We finished inside there already.
Alright, alright.
What I want to give them.
Man, that's really good, man. Good job, brother. Yeah, boy, you're so young and you have that mindset already, you go reach far, boy.
Boy,
Because that's what it takes, man, the mindset.
tell me about it. Tell me about it.
The mindset.
When we were young like Mr. we didn't have all them opportunities, you know.
Yeah, sir. That's a.
Branch out for them guys, eh?
Yeah, sir. When I was that age, yeah, sir, my mind wasn't where it is right now. Where it is now, there.
No, yeah.
And for that one mind to be on that now, there says a lot, yeah, sir. Yeah, man, says a lot. I saw your video. You said that you want to be a millionaire before you reach what age? 40. 25. How old are you now?
18.
Hey, got you ready? Got by 20 you reaching that, guys. By 20 you go reach that, guys. The way you go in there? I said you 18 and you have your own bar. I mean, next week you opening your own bar, bro. Yeah. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Good job, man. Yeah, bro. But big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know where you are.
All right. Yeah, guys. Okay, thank you, man. Okay.
Alright, okay.
Yes. Alright, guys. Let's see how long it take me for me to just get it right. So the last time I came here was about 2 to 3 years ago. Okay guys, so I got a bus. Now the bus has to go drop some passengers off this road and then we're gonna head back down. Leo? Ah, okay. Huh? Okay. Saya nak share tamu muda isi ya. Apa yuk? So say butchi man usadi really? Yeah. Allow muti la se usadi say off-road killer. Ah okay. Down, bang, bang, bang. Yeah man. Simos sa atin c'est deuxième Simos mais still pas assez ya ça. C'est bouteille ça va goûter ya ça. Simos ya ça. Alright guys, we're heading back down now. It's turning right here. Too much pressure. On fire. The thing on fire. Pretty girls that below. No, kaysa sa Belgaya. Monshon eh. Huh?
Right in there. When I was first known.
My. Yes. Yeah, I see that. I see that one. The worst pressure.
No.
So we got it.
No. That was the marking gallery. Not you.
Right down. So it's like,
Yeah, going back with your bag there.
Alright guys, I'll catch you all when we get off the bus. Might give you guys a few scenes of the view and whatever, but right. Yeah guys.
Yeah, man.
Dennery! You guys, I am now on the main highway and I'm waiting for a bus to head this way to Dennery. So I have the drone in my bag. Yeah, big episode Brent for the Dennery! Why? Yeah guys, for me anything I get I stop in, you know. If I get a public bus, you know, great, but if I get a ride I'm gonna take it, you know, for sure. Alright, so the bus stop is right there, so I'm gonna head there and wait for a bus. Alright. Okay guys, so I just finished getting off the bus there and now I'm going to see if my brother came from sea. My brother went out today. If you guys didn't know, my brother is a captain. I have a twin brother. Let's get it right. So he came out, he went fishing today, so I'm around the fishing pot seeing if he entered already. Say, oh yeah, I always put some away. Mama, ah, that you put put some away. That's super, huh?
What a tech must come out now.
Aye.
Guys.
Yeah, I still like. Alright guys, so that's it for this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm gonna see you all on the next one. Take care, everybody. Peace out.